class, let's practice together asking questions before, during, and after the reading. First, watch the read aloud of I want to buy a computer game, and which is a story in ReadWorks, fiction story, fiction passage in ReadWorks, and then watch the video of me explaining and modeling to you what kind of questions we are able to ask before, during, and after the reading. So, I am assuming at this point that you have watched your video read aloud about I want to buy a computer game. So a good question that we could ask at the beginning would be, who wants to buy a video game? Meaning, who is the character in this fiction story? And we could also ask, where is the story happening? And we can also ask, is this a character getting what he wants? So those are three questions that we can ask at the beginning of the story. Now, what could be two good questions we may ask during the story? So Luis, who is our character, is convincing his mom to buy him a computer game. And as you read the story, we could have asked one good question could be, I wonder if if Luis is going to try to persuade his mom to give money for what he wants. And another good question that we can ask during the reading is, why didn't he think of alternatives to forgetting his video game? That could be another good question for that we could ask ourselves during the reading. After the read, you know finally what happened to Luis and that he got his computer game. So I have two good questions for this. What would happen if mom would have said no right from the beginning to Luis? I mean, we know that moms want their children involved in good things, and maybe video games are not the best thing that Luis could have purchased. And another question that we could ask, did Luis use his money wisely? Yes or no? That's up to a discussion. Thank you, friends.